Hello students, good afternoon. In our previous lecture, we had learned about prime numbers, what are co-prime numbers and factor tree. Okay. Now, in today's lecture, we will learn about squares and square roots. Okay. All of you are familiar with squares and square root. How to find squares, all of you know. Okay, now today we will see what are squares and square root. See here, what is the meaning of a square or square of a number? Okay, see here, the square of an integer is the product of some integer with itself. It is the product of some integer with itself. It means we have to multiply a number with itself to get a square. Okay. For every number to find a square, we have to multiply that number itself. So we will get the square of that number. Okay. See here. Example. 9 is a square number. So it can be written as 3 into 3. That is 3 3s are 9. Okay. Similarly, we can write the square of 5 is how much? That is 5 into 5, which is equals to 25. Okay. And third one, the square of 10 is written as 10 into 10, which is equals to how much? 100. Right? Now, square root. Square root of 25 is 5. That is, we can write square root of 25 equals to, it is the multiplication of 5 into 5. So when these numbers are in square root sign, we have to take only one number, that is 5. Okay. Similarly, square root of 144 equals to, it will be 12 into 12. Right? In square root sign, 12 into 12. So we can write only once, that is 12. Okay. See here. Find the square of 20, 30, 50. Okay. So all of you know how to find the square root, square of given numbers, right? See here, 20 square. How we can write 20 square? It will be 20 into 20. Means we have to multiply the number with itself to get square of that number. So 20 multiplied by 20, it will be 400, right? Now next number, that is 30 square, which is equals to, similarly we can write 30 into 30. 30 into 30 will be 900. Okay. Next number, 50 square, which we can write 50 into 50, which is equals to 2500. Okay. See here. Find the missing number. We have 12 square plus 5 square, and we have to write what should be the number in this given bracket. Okay. So first we find square of 12 and then square of 5, and we have to add that. 12 square plus 5 square, it will be 144 plus 25. So 144 plus 25, it will be 169. And as we know, 169 is square of 13. So we can write 13 square. So in this bracket, the answer will be 13. Okay. Find two square numbers that add up to 20 square. Okay. Means we have to find two such numbers whose square is 20 square means square of 20. First of all we have to find, and then we have to find the numbers whose squares addition is 400. Okay, see here, what is the square of 20? It will be 20 square will be how much? 400, which we can write 20 into 20, right? 20 into 20, it will be 400. Okay, now what is the square of 16? See here, square of 16 is how much? 256. Directly we can find square of 16 is 256, and square of 12 is how much? 144. Okay, now we add these two numbers square. So square of 16 plus square of 12 equals to, it will be 256 plus 144. Okay, it will be 400. 256 plus 144 equals to how much? It will be 400. Therefore, the numbers are 16 and 12, that is 16 square and 12 square. When we add these, we get the answer as 20 square. Okay, these are the two numbers whose square is add up to 20 square. Okay, now next question, find square root of following. See here, square root of 225. How we can find square root of 225? 225 is written as, in square root bracket, 15 into 15, which is equals to, when these numbers are in square root sign, we have to take only once, that is 15. Okay, so square root of 225 is equals to 15. Similarly, see here, square root of 484. How we can find square root of 484? It will be 22 into 22. Okay, so square root of 484 it will be 22. Okay, square root of 484 equals to 22. See here another examples. In square root bracket, 6 square plus 8 square, we have to find the value of these numbers. Okay, so which is equals to, in square root, 36. 6 square is 36 and 8 square is 64, which is equals to 36 plus 64, it will be 100 in square root bracket. So what is the square root of 100? We can write as 100 will be 10 square. So when it is in square root bracket, it will be 10. Okay, and see here, square root 289 and bracket square is there. So when we find square of these numbers, this square root and this 2 will be cancelled. That is, square root means 1 upon 2 into 2 will be cancelled, and we get the answer as 289. And 289 is square of 17. Okay, so we can write 17 square. Okay, I hope all of you understood the given concept, that is squares and square roots, and how to find the square roots and squares of different numbers. Thank you.